Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for you, a collection of einfach Rezepte, or easy recipes that are not only simple to make but also incredibly delicious. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, these recipes are perfect for you. So, let's get started. Kartoffelsalat, German potato salad. First up, we have a classic German dish, Kartoffelsalat, or German potato salad. It's a perfect side dish for any occasion. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: potatoes, bacon, onion, mustard, vinegar, salt, pepper, chives, for garnish. Start by boiling the potatoes until they're tender. In the meantime, cook the bacon and onions until they're golden brown. Once the potatoes are done, slice them and mix them with the bacon and onions. Add mustard, vinegar, salt, and pepper to taste. Garnish with chives, and there you have it, a delicious Kartoffelsalat. Schnitzel. Next on our list is a German classic schnitzel. This dish is not only tasty but also incredibly simple to prepare. Let's dive into the ingredients. Ingredients: pork or veal cutlets, flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, cooking oil. Start by seasoning the cutlets with salt and pepper. Dredge them in flour, dip in beaten eggs, and coat with breadcrumbs. Fry them until golden brown on both sides. Serve with a wedge of lemon, and you have a perfect schnitzel. Apfelstrudel, apple strudel. For our sweet ending, we have apfelstrudel, or apple strudel. This dessert is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. Here's what you need. Ingredients: apples, sugar, cinnamon, raisins, phyllo dough, butter, breadcrumbs. Peel and slice the apples, then mix them with sugar, cinnamon, and raisins. Place the mixture on phyllo dough, roll it up, and brush with melted butter. Sprinkle with breadcrumbs for that extra crunch. Bake until golden brown, and your apple strudel is ready to be enjoyed. There you have it, folks, a trio of einfach Rezepte, or easy recipes, that you can whip up in no time. Whether you're craving a savory dish or a sweet treat, these recipes have got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.